Hey guys, what's going on? This is Fire-Lite 457 and we are finally at system test number 20 of the Fire-Lite MS9600 UDLS system. So anyways, let's get started. Now, this system test was requested by D.J.I Fire Alarms. I think that's what his name is. But anyways, up here for the first notification appliance, he requested the Space Age AV32. And I've got the Faraday 5430 behind it. And the horn is coded to March time. And the light is tightened with the horn, so this will not continue to go when I silence the system. The reason I have this on March time is because this horn is insanely loud. It's my loudest alarm in my collection. And then coming over here for NAC 2, requested the Spectre Alert Classic. This is set on code 3 horn high volume. System sensor sync. Down here for the first conventional pull station, he requested the Fire-Lite BG10. Then over here beside the window, he requested the RMS1T, which we will be pulling first today. Up here I got the system sensor 2400, which I will not be testing today. Right here I got the SD365, which he requested me to activate today. And right here I got the the Fire-Lite H365R, which I will not be testing today. Right here I got the Simplex 2098-905, which again I will not be testing today. And I will not be testing the supervisory system today either. And I'm going to show it out in the hall. I got the Notifier NBG12LX, which I will be pulling today. Plus I got the SD355 and the H355. I will not be testing those detectors today. Alright, well, with all that's said and done, let's go ahead and activate the system. And now before I activate the system, please do not pull fire alarms in real buildings or tamper with any life safety equipment out in public. I will not be responsible for your actions if you choose to do so. And please do not watch if you have epilepsy to flashing strobes or lights. I will not be sounding these off too long because my father is home and I don't want to aggravate him too much. Alright, to start things off today, we are going to pull the RMS1T, and I will also silence the system with the annunciator. So, headphone users, I recommend that you turn down your volume. Here we go, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is going to be very loud. That's weird. I don't know why the light on the AV32 was not flashing. Whatever, I do apologize about that. But the AV32 is not flashing for some reason. And now we're going to go ahead and pull the BG10. Forgot to mention that the strobe on the Spectre alert is on 15 candela. And real quick, we're just going to come out here. We're going to pull the MBG12 LX. Alright, well, that's enough for the pull stations. I'm just going to go into my control panel. And we're going to hit System Reset. And to finish off the video, we're going to go ahead and activate the SD365 with the magnet. So, here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, this is going to do it for system test number 20 of the Fire-Lite MS9600 UDLS system, everybody. Special shout out to D.J.I Fire Alarms for requesting this setup. Be sure to check him out. And I really do apologize that the light on the AV32 was not flashing for some reason, even though I had it tied into the horn. But anyways, this is going to do it for system test number 20. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other fire alarm videos. I have tons of content out there you do not want to miss. Hit the like button, and I will see you next time. Peace out, everybody.